The responsibilities of a coordinator. The responsibilities of a coordinator can vary depending on the specific context and industry. But in general, a coordinator is responsible for overseeing and managing various aspects of a project, team, or event to ensure smooth operations and successful outcomes. Some common responsibilities of a coordinator may include planning and organizing. Coordinators are responsible for creating and implementing plans to achieve project goals, including developing timelines, setting deadlines, allocating resources, and coordinating activities. 1. Communication and collaboration. Coordinators often serve as a central point of contact for team members, stakeholders, and other relevant parties. They facilitate communication and collaboration among team members, ensure that information is shared effectively, and maintain clear lines of communication throughout the project. Monitoring and reporting. Coordinators track progress and performance against established goals and benchmarks, and provide regular reports to stakeholders. They may also identify and address any issues or challenges that arise during the project, and implement solutions to mitigate risks and resolve problems. 2. Resource management. Coordinators may be responsible for managing resources such as budgets, personnel, and equipment. They ensure that resources are allocated effectively and efficiently, and may also negotiate contracts or agreements with vendors or suppliers. Documentation and record keeping. Coordinators often maintain documentation and records related to the project, team, or event, including meeting minutes, progress reports, and other relevant documents. They may also ensure that documentation is properly organized and accessible for future reference. Support and coordination. Coordinators may provide support to team members, stakeholders, and other relevant parties by coordinating logistics, scheduling meetings, providing training or guidance, and resolving issues or conflicts that may arise during the project. Quality assurance. Coordinators may ensure that project deliverables meet quality standards and are delivered on time. They may review work products, conduct inspections, and implement quality control measures to ensure that project outcomes meet the established criteria. Overall, the role of a coordinator is to facilitate the smooth operation and successful completion of a project, team, or event by overseeing various aspects and ensuring effective communication, coordination, and resource management. 3. Stakeholder management. Coordinators may be responsible for managing relationships with stakeholders, including clients, customers, vendors, and partners. This may involve regular communication, addressing concerns or issues, and ensuring that stakeholder needs and expectations are met. 4. Risk management. Coordinators may identify and assess potential risks and develop strategies to mitigate them. They may also monitor risks throughout the project and implement contingency plans as needed to minimize negative impacts. Team management. Coordinators may oversee the work of team members, assign tasks, and provide guidance and support as needed. They may also facilitate team meetings, promote teamwork and collaboration, and ensure that team members are working together effectively. Administration and logistics. Coordinators may handle administrative tasks such as scheduling, coordinating travel arrangements, arranging for meeting venues, and managing documentation. They may also coordinate logistics for events, workshops, or conferences, ensuring that all necessary arrangements are made. 5. Compliance and documentation. Coordinators may ensure that projects or activities comply with relevant laws, regulations, policies, or guidelines. They may also maintain documentation related to compliance, such as permits, licenses, or certifications, and ensure that all necessary documentation is obtained and maintained. 6. Continuous improvement. Coordinators may identify areas for improvement in project processes or workflows, and implement changes to enhance efficiency and effectiveness. They may also gather feedback from team members or stakeholders and use it to improve project outcomes. 7. Training and development. Coordinators may provide training or development opportunities to team members as needed. This may include organizing workshops, coordinating external training programs, or providing on-the-job training to team members to enhance their skills and knowledge. 8. Budget management. Coordinators may be responsible for managing project budgets, tracking expenses, and ensuring that the project stays within budgetary constraints. They may also prepare budget reports and provide financial updates to stakeholders. These are some common responsibilities associated with the role of a coordinator. However, the specific responsibilities can vary depending on the organization, industry, and project requirements. It's important to note that the responsibilities of a coordinator may overlap with those of other roles, and can be tailored to meet the unique needs of a particular project or team.